Right, here I am down at the East Bowl on February 11th, 2022. Shooting some sort of off-the-cuff video here today. I didn't bring my DJ Osmo 3 down. I'm using my new I'm using Filmic Pro, but I'm using my Sandmarc film pole, which is a very small tripod with a phone mount on the top of it, and I'm trying shooting with that today. So I'll have something when I'm out and about and I want to shoot something on the run real quick and I don't have all my equipment with me. I'll use this. So I'm just going to test this today, do some shooting. I'm on my iPhone 11 Pro Max today. So I've got a cement truck out here today. So they're pouring some cement back over in some kind of foundation or trench back over there. So we're getting some cement work going on some level. So I'll just pan around here. See how this film pole works. It's just really a monopod of sorts. So, I'm gonna test this out today. Time now is 12:40 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So, we got some surveying equipment over there too. So, this is what's happening in the East Bowl today. Got a lot more gravel in it, looks like. So, it's the first cement truck I've seen down here so far during the construction period. So, obviously getting some permanent stuff set up down in here. I'm going to try something new here. Since I got this monopole, I'm going to stop this and then I'm going to try sort of a walk around with the monopole. So let me get myself repositioned. Okay, I'm going to try doing a walk along with my monopole here now. So this will be something different. I'm not sure this is going to work at all. Let's see. Try to keep it steady. Not trip over anything. Here now. Just trying to make sure I don't trip over anything. I think this is going to be fairly rough looking video. So that's good there. I think I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to move on around to the move around onto the West Paseo maybe. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo now, still filming with my iPhone 11 Pro Max and my Sandmarc film pole. Not much really going on down here, it doesn't look like. Loaders loading up dirt, which I think they're hauling down to the East Bowl down there. So everything's pretty slow and mellow down here in the West Paseo today. Got some kind of activity going on down here. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's a rally or protest. I saw some people lining Indian school when I came in, so I'm not sure what it's all about, but is attracting some people down here for some reason. So I'll climb up here a little bit and look out to the West Bowl. To the West Bowl here. And doing some trench work right down below me here. It's hard to keep this film pole level. It's not not sure this is going to really work that well. I tend to move around a lot with it. Not quite as stable as the gimbal, seemingly. But this is just a test. See how it works. Maybe it'll look better than it seems like it could right now. Loading up the dump truck down there. Looks like he's heading out. He's got his load, I think. Here he comes. Alright, truck heading on back to the East Bowl with his dirt. I think I'm going to stop this here. I don't know if there's anything else I can shoot down here right now. This is just another test using the Sandmarc film pole instead of my gimbal. It's easy to carry around, throw in the car, so I could have it for spare the moment kind of thing, so we'll see. But I'm gonna stop this now.